Welcome to the Clipper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to redeem a Steam gift card. Now, at first, what you have to do is just go to your search button and search for Steam. In the best matches, you'll find Steam. Just open this. Now, what you want to do is you want to increase the balance of your Steam account. And to do this, you got a code. Either you bought it from a gift card or you bought it online. Now, you want to put that code somewhere on Steam. I'm going to show you how to do that. So after you have come to Steam, just click here on your profile, then just click on account details, then just wait. Then you can see your wallet balance right here. And to add your Steam wallet, what you need to do is click here on add funds to your Steam wallet. After that, from here, just click here on redeem a Steam gift card or wallet code. And the code that you have, you should put it here. Just put it here and click on continue. Don't worry, this is totally safe. This is the official Steam app. So just put your code here and click on continue and your funds should be added. And basically that is how to redeem a Steam gift card. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.